Yan guys, sige, para sa inyo ha, dahil mahal ko kayo, at alam ko naman mahal nyo ako, hindi ba? Black 19. Pwede rin Black 17 na rin. Gusto ba lalaki ako, babae? Tapos sex. Ano ang puso kong ito ngayong lumisan ka sa buhay ko? Paano mga pangarap, ang mga pangako sa bawat isa? Sana'y ika'y muling makita ko ng puso mo. Sana'y agapin mo ako muli kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit, may nakakal ka. Pwede na ba? Friends in your heart, them wonderful, stop me, steal my breath. Emeralds from mountains, thrust towards the sky, never revealing their depth. And tell me that we belong together, dress it up with the trappings of love. Will be captivated. I'll hang from your lips instead of the gallows of heartache that hang from above. And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be love suicide, and I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest fan of your life. Galing yung poetic song nyo. And I dropped out, I burned up, I fought my way back from the dead. Halfway music eh. I tune in, turn on, remember the things that you said. Your crying shoulder, I'll be love suicide, and I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest fan of your life. I love you guys. Guys, galing ito ang birthday song ha. Ito,